Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing a sink strainer in my kitchen sink. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to want to do is to get all the water out of the P-trap. Then we're going to want to take this off. And then we'll disconnect it from the garbage disposal as well. Pull this down. Okay, so the next part is to remove this piece. So we'll take it and pull it off. And then there's this metal washer right here. Let's grab that. I've already loosened it. We'll spin it off. And then we'll reach up from the top and pull everything out. And that's what's left. Now we'll take some cleaner and we'll just spray it and clean all this mess up. Going to make sure that it's all nice cleaned up because you're going to put plumber's putty on top of that. Okay, then we'll grab some plumber's putty. We'll kind of knead it together a little bit. Get it all mixed up. And what I like to do is run a continuous bead all the way around it. It's not quite there. So make it a little bit longer. Yeah, I probably used too much. You guys don't have to use as much as I did. Just, it's gonna be a sealer. And you kind of just push it on. Figured using more is better than not needing enough. You'll drop that in. Push down on it. Kind of hold it in place. And then we'll go back underneath the sink. Okay, now that we're underneath the sink, we'll grab this rubber side up. Take this and we'll spin it on. If I can get it on. We'll spin it up as high as we can go. And we'll spin these screws out, which pushes this metal ring in. You don't want to get it too tight right now. Make sure that all your screws are even. Okay, now you go around and start tightening them all up. And you can put a screwdriver in these slots. And give it a little bit more. Okay. That looks pretty tight. I started bending it. So now we'll put everything back together. Okay, I put the new washer on, and same with the nut. We'll go ahead and screw that back in. And we'll get it tight. Okay guys, you're gonna want to grab a small pipe wrench. And we'll get it adjusted. You want to grab it, you're going to want to tighten it. Okay. Make sure you guys don't drop your tools in water. They'll definitely grow. Trust me. Even just a little bit of moisture will make them grow. Okay guys, the next step is to put your plumbing back in. So take this, I moved the washer closer. That way, whenever I get it set just right, it's already there. So then we'll tighten these up. And then we'll put the P-trap back in. So same thing again. Go ahead and tighten up all your connections. Make sure everything's tight. And then we'll do a water test. Okay, now we're going to do the water test. And I don't see any leaks, so we are good to go. I noticed something while I was doing the water test. I was talking to you guys about getting your tools wet. This is what happens. Now that grew a little over 2.5 feet. I filled the sink up. It's not draining. Underneath, nothing's wet. So I think we're good to go. Alright, I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Soon here we're going to have a big project, so stick around.